Hello, welcome to my video. And in my previous CloudFormation uh, video, I created the VPC and also created the public subnet. And in today's video, I will keep going. First, I will copy my uh, previous code, previous CloudFormation code, and then I will create the. I will keep, first. I will change the demo to the change the name to public subnet, and then I will create the route table. Then I will create the internet gateway. After internet gateway, I will attach the internet gateway into our VPC. So attach to our VPC, then we need to talk to our route table. When our traffic go to the internet, which is 0.0.0.0/0, need to route to the internet gateway, and then attach this subnet into like associate this subnet into our uh, route table. So let's begin to write the code. So this one is my previous one. So I will change the name. Change here demo public subnet, and I will type public subnet. Public subnet. And then tap. I will create the route table, and we can go to here to search the route table. It will give us how to edit the route table. First, we need to give it a name. So I will call the demo route table, and we can just copy this one and pass to here, and property VPC. I preferred using this way. Just come here to edit, and our VPC is here, and I need to change the name. Call the demo route table, and let's come back to the public subnet. Maybe we can search our public subnet before I just create a subnet, so I don't give some parameter which is not the mandatory. We can using the map public IP on launch. So when the EC2 launch under this subnet, it will provide the IP address to it. So we can just edit it and told the template true, and also we can review it. We can put a availability zone. So is to, yes, we can come back to here. Let me log in first. I need to and my NFA code. Yes, I can. Submit. I want to launch under the I log in. Sorry, and we can also tell the CloudFormation which availability zone to deploy it. So I will deploy it and okay. Ohio so is the east. Okay, maybe we change to the so availability zone. Okay, just hit enter, pass, and we deployed under the Ohio, and then we can keep going. So we finish our route table. We can create our internet gateway. So we can come here again, internet gateway. It will give us internet gateway. Before that, I can call it demo internet gateway. Demo internet gateway, and hit enter, and we can roll down to see the example. Okay, so copy the example, then pass and delete the space. Then we'll call the CNN in here, call the demo internet gateway. Then we need to associate our internet gateway into the VPC, and we can see VPC gateway attachment. So we can come to here, internet gateway, VPN gateway. Oh, there are different kind of gateway, but today our gateway called internet gateway. So we can simply, let me see which one is better. I don't want to type, and okay, just copy this one and come back to our copy paste. give it a name. Demo Internet Gateway. Gateway attachment. VPC gateway attachment and the property. The VPC will be this one, and our internet gateway will be this one. So put the reference. Okay, internet gateway. After we created the attachment, means the internet gateway is attached to our VPC. Then we need to put the default route into here, so that when traffic go to the 0.0.0 will go to the internet gateway. So I will call default route. And we can come to here again to Google route. Maybe it's this one. EC2 route. So we can roll down to copy the example. Okay, copy this one. Okay. Delete this one. Delete. Type is EC2 route, and depend on we need to waiting for we need to waiting for our gateway finish. So depend on the internet gateway attachment. So we need to waiting for this one finish. Yeah. So after it finish, then the default route can node point to where, and the route table we need to give the route table ID. The route table is in here, route table, and I prefer using this way, and yes, this one is correct, and the gateway ID will be my gateway ID will the same, so it's this one. Okay, the last step is like we need to associate our public subnet into the route table. So I will call the demo public subnet route table subnet route table associate, and how to do that, we can Google it. Maybe we can roll down route table. No, it doesn't have the link for us, so we can type subnet route table associate. Yeah, perfect. Then we can check our documentation, roll down to find the YAML format, and here, okay, we can copy this one, come to here, and pass it, put the subnet ID. The subnet ID we can find out this one. So we only need to copy it and put it in here and hit enter and give it the reference, and also when associate anything we also need to the route table ID. So where is our route table? Our route table is in here, demo route table. Then we can press Ctrl S to save and go to our AWS console. Under our AWS console, we can go to the CloudFormation and try to deploy it. So let me create the stack and find out our upload the template, choose the file. Let me find out where is the file saved. Open it and click next, follow JSON format. So it point out the 44, there's something happening there. We come back to here to fix. Okay, let me see, 44, 41, 40. Internet gateway, yes, it's correct, 41. Internet. Oh. Gateway ID, route table, oh, okay, let me update again, save it, and choose the file and upload the file again. Next. Resource document. Property. resource attachment property. Oh, here. Property. Okay, let me save again and choose to upload it. Next. Okay. Yeah, before we deploy, we can go to our VPC to review it, and I will call it like demo internet gateway. And next, yeah, so in here we can go to our VPC. Just waiting for it loading. The VPC is nothing in here, and click subnet and click the route table and also the internet gateway. So now VPC, there is nothing deployed in here. Yeah, and we can come to our subnet. The subnet is empty because we don't deploy yet. Yeah, subnet is empty. And here is our route table. Our table should be empty too. So route table is empty, and our internet gateway. The internet gateway should be empty too. So now we can start to click next and submit. And during the submission, it will start to create our, let me see, it will create the VPC internet gateway. Okay, in progress. Let me refresh. Okay, complete. Still in progress, but we can come to our VPC here, refresh it. So now it create the VPC, and we can come here to refresh. The subnet is created for us. Then we can check the route table. Okay, so it created for us. We can click here to check. And yes, the default route will point to our internet gateway, and the internet gateway also created. And beside that, our last part is associate our public subnet into the route table, which is in here. Yes, so let me go back to our CloudFormation and click yes. Now it complete. Here also complete. Okay, so thank you for watching today's video.